Hello everyone. Today we learn about relation between E, D and P. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Putting him out of the case, relation between D, E and P. That B is equal to personality plus B or B is equal to epsilon 1 and epsilon R minus 1 into a RP is equal to 1 plus Z. So this topic is belong to dielectrics. Stop. I don't know what is D. This is tough, but this is a displacement vector. The form of B is Q by 4 pi r square. R square. E is equal to electric field strength. Liquid phase strength, that is E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into V is equal to polarization. P is equals to polarization, and this P is equal to Q minus P pi over 5 into 1 dot epsilon in for faster. So the polarization P is equal to minus by convex antonist sometimes may be epsilon or epsilon naught taking. So let us discuss about proof. I got into the out part that from closest selfness is equal to by 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge present in the surface. The formula is integral integral of E dot dA is equal to 1 by x naught into q. Just confirm it with your the charge a unit area. Electric field site. Now apply it is this phenomena to a parallel plate capacitor. Let us assume this is parallel plate capacitor which is forcefully charged in this place, and this plate is negatively charged in the field. The clearest ring act from postulate to link, that is E naught. This is called as Gaussian surface. An imaginary surface, and this place is taken yes, and now first of all take this, then apply in this situation to this equation. Then this E becomes V naught into dA is equal to Q by epsilon naught. The integral is as this. Then D is D naught into is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Then naught is equal to Q by AY epsilon naught. This is equation number 1. Then here the condition is there is no planet click. Now vintages dielectric material. The parallel plates like this. Now this convex respond to and maybe to here it gives he naught, and if the dielectric is placed like this, then is positive, that is that his surface becomes negative. This is a positive with the XL here red Foster here is this. Dielectric becomes positive, then which develops and electric field E. Electric field E again is applied electric field due to polarization. Then again we to take the formula. This is lot begin, it is equal to q by epsilon naught, then this q by epsilon becomes q minus q minus because the induced EMF, that means generate charges after q minus within the directly, so that means the correction also opposite to thing, that means q charge flow from lower plate apartment, but here now personal festival surface of a dielectric. Close, then this is the equation. Then E dot is equal to E dot dA is equal to q minus q dash by epsilon A into epsilon naught. This is equation number 2. But the equation number 2, but the dielectric constant. Epsilon r is equal to epsilon r, er is equals to epsilon naught, like, and permittivity of the medium, the ratio of permittivity of the medium, ratio of permittivity of free space, this can be written as E naught 1, say equation number 3, E naught upon E in equation number 3, and he values epsilon r is equal to u naught by then E is equal to E naught by epsilon r. This is equation number 3. Now put equation 1 in equation 3, we get this equation 1 E naught is equal to q by epsilon. So Sp is equal to q naught, find epsilon into epsilon r, epsilon naught and S that are same equation 1. This is equation number 4. E great, now equate equation 2 equation 2 or equality question to one equation, one question for we get one equation for we get q minus q dash by upon epsilon naught is equals to q upon a naught ar, epsilon r is equal to q by a epsilon, and q by a by epsilon epsilon is equals to q upon a epsilon naught minus q dash by a by epsilon naught is equal to q by a epsilon. Put this equation is equals to q upon a epsilon plus q by k epsilon plus q dash by a by epsilon naught. Now divide how the multiplying with its on both sides, then q by j epsilon must so multiply planet is equal to q by a lot into a epsilon plus epsilon naught into q dash by epsilon naught. then then that is equal to epsilon naught q by a epsilon plus plus 2 dash by excellent here q by m s cube. If I took 4 pi a square else cube by 4 pi r square. Then is d2 by means b is equal to epsilon naught into q by epsilon e plus 2 by q polarization, that is any system. D is equals to epsilon e plus p. This is a polarization. Two more equations such are very important. We know D is equal to displacement into E, displacement vector field, epsilon into electric field strength, that is epsilon. Now put this epsilon, this is equation is equal to epsilon naught E plus P, epsilon naught E plus P, epsilon naught into epsilon naught we can write is equal to epsilon naught in a plus P, then P is equals to P is equals to epsilon naught, epsilon r and epsilon 2. Then the factor epsilon polarization is equal to permittivity of free space, you denote permeability our dielectric constant, Francis electric field sign. Now if I took this I am writing this equation here, epsilon naught equation r is equal to epsilon naught into E plus B, then equation r is equal to epsilon r E is equals to E naught epsilon naught E plus P. It is not a 2 a plus by B by epsilon naught into E, that is equal to 1 plus B by epsilon naught in container, and epsilon r is equal to 1 plus z. Is Z is a susceptibility, then susceptibility the ratio with the permit epsilon r is equals to 1 plus chi. Chi is a susceptibility. These three equations are also very important personal for the equation. Okay, so this is the questions. This is the question asked. I ask like this relation between the ED and P, like this show the our product like approve this is and this displacement vector, say 3 to 4 pi is common factor, then it is can be written as q by r square when Ca this is q by a instead as a constant. Now this is the descriptions of Gaussian lens. The case is a plane is constant with this when I got this equation here, I got a naught and I convert the C naught into E in the equation place. Now this is without dielectric, this is with dielectric. I got this equation with directed, its directed constant. I wrote this equation this is the relation between E and E naught. Then I convert our equation 1 into this equation E, then I equated these two equation under divide like this, I left and right there. Yes, then how much relatives not both side, then I got these equations. So I have remember that q by is dq by epsilon, and epsilon is eq epsilon naught q dash upon a epsilon. So further, by applying this formula, we this equation and form here is all, and with this equation, this is very important for us.